Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and wait 5 minutes so hot components cool before you begin. Open the hood and secure it. Locate the rectangular black plastic air filter housing on the passenger side of the engine bay near the fuse box. Gather tools: a 10 mm socket and ratchet, a flathead screwdriver for clips, and a replacement Honda Civic 2019 air filter around 25 mm thick. Expect the job to take about 15 minutes for most users. Undo the housing fasteners using a 10 mm socket and use the flathead screwdriver to pry up any plastic clips. Place screws and clips aside in a tray. Carefully lift the top of the air filter housing straight up to avoid bending the intake snorkel and exposing the mass airflow sensor. Slide the old filter out while noting the orientation of the rubber seals and pleats so you can match them with the new part. Inspect the removed filter for heavy deposits, holes, or oil contamination and discard it if present. Place the new filter into the lower housing with the pleats facing the engine and ensure the rubber seal sits evenly in its channel to prevent unfiltered air entry. Lower the housing top back into place, realign the snorkel and mating surfaces, then reattach clips and reinstall the 10 mm fasteners, tightening them by hand until snug to avoid cracking the plastic. Start the engine, listen closely for any whistling or sucking indicating a leak, and take a short drive. Recheck the fasteners and seals and adjust if you notice air noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.